Good luck. Messages, bash script, said. All right. How do I pipe something into said? Let me get to the right. Oh God, there's so many windows here. We'll just make a new tab. This is too loud in my ears. All right, it should be in here. So it should be in packages, engine, source. All right, so it's in this JSON blob. We're gonna grab this boy. We're gonna grab that boy, and we're gonna say Winnie, and then we're gonna say where do you no new line? The new line is here. Right there. And I'm assuming this backslash is a new line too. Yeah, is this right? No, okay. Okay, you said new line. I just made assumptions. Is this right? I need an adult. Yeah, rip it. All right, let me go to the end of the line here, spit this into first try dot Lua. It's loading. We're experiencing input lag as we speak. Ooh, I see a problem. We're close. So what we need is, yeah, the square brackets, exactly. I don't know what neovim is like, yo dog. What up, Cold Float? What up, Leo? We're gonna quit. Let me out. Remove first try. It's pretty close though for a first try. It still looks like the square brackets. I'm trying to read. So there's the slash. Where's my replace? So there's the replace. 1, 2, you're matching here. I am on a Mac. Although this set expression will probably run on a Linux machine. I don't know if that makes a difference. Have I tried Nix? Yes, I use Nix. I should have just used Nix run rather than show, but YOLO. Leo said I'm feeling like a teenager again. I was listening to DevDad's stream and he had like all the pop punk. Oh, I hesitate to call this actual pop punk, but this kind of music from the like mid 2000s, and I was like, I need to continue that. I forgot to take my drugs. Does not provide attribute. I did mean new said. How do you say GNU? Is it new? GNU? Which I don't even. I wing it every time. GNU. Good morning. Good night, bad cop. Oh my god. I'm curious if it caught some of the ones with 3 lines. Yeah, there are ones with 3 lines. I'll show you. Just open anyways, edit anyways. Probably faster to go this direction. I thought those ones with 3 lines. Did I just go too fast and not see them? Well, we can look in here because we have our database. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just an idiot. There's a high chance I'm just an idiot. So Yeah, maybe not. Disregard. I think we're good. That's a W in chat for Bad Cop. Shout out Bad Cop. Reports deprecated. Oh yeah, right here. Reports unnecessary, true. Yeah, I thought there were some in here. I had some tricky ones too where like there was like a curly, like stuff like this line here. I think hit mine. But also my code just works because I'm good at the video game. Good, good. All right, back up. Go to sleep. You need to get sleep for your day job. Because you're gonna have a hostile takeover of boot.dev and become the CEO. Okay. Let's go save that sed command so we have it. Yoink. Sed dot. In fact, that can just be someone read lane wrote a really questionable bash script. What did the questionable bash script do? Because if there's anything I know about you, Bad Cop, you would never, ever, ever write a questionable bash script. I think that's only fair, right? Every freaking kilobyte gets 4 processes to itself. It sounds like good sharing. What is going on with these freaking sleeves? Did you add that comment in the PR? I can see you. Okay, this fun part that we were doing yesterday. So we've got a nice little sed. And I want to go in here. Yeah, we're gonna need to copy this. Yeah, okay. I don't care. Bad Cop said, skill issues. Get wrecked. Oh, let's go. I love this song. I don't want to hear this. Poor Mitty, back down. All right, back to business. And by business, I mean pulling up our REPL. We need to open up a PR request to Chris's repo first before I get too distracted. Raise. Let's do that. Yeah, we're gonna get to hopefully see CM Griffin write some OCaml in stream in the next couple days, which I think will be fun. Oh, there was a PR on OCaml that I wanted to send you, Leo. Hold on, let me, before I get, God, I'm getting so distracted. I can tell I forgot to take my meds when I woke up this morning. Here. You want to watch me write bash on stream? I have so many things I want to build on stream. Okay. Write a bash type checker. That would be amazing. I did see that yesterday, Bad Cop. Damn it. This is sick. I love this. Or maybe this was a couple days ago I saw this. I don't remember. What day is it? It's Wednesday. I saw it on Monday. Let me see if I can find the OCaml PR. OCaml GitHub. This guy. This is gonna have some cool ramifications for Melange. Because it's not GitHub 2, Bad Cop, obviously. All right, we still got our REPL. Let me get this back over to the other side of the screen. And let's also tweet out that we're streaming. Create a image advertising a Twitch stream titled OCaml and Coffee. And then we'll say neovim edition. The image should be in the style of a cringy and over-the-top / bad car dealership. What are the fucking things on the side of the road? Billboard. Ah, dude. I love this song. This was one of the first songs as a kid that I memorized the lyrics to. Her boyfriend, he don't know anything about heartaches. He's too stoned. That's kind of amazing. Please create another one with no typos in. Vietnam edition. All his favorite songs, her boyfriend. It's so bad, but it's so good at the same time. I don't know why it decided to. Whatever this spits out, we're going to take this one or the other one regardless of typos. I think this is it, right? Like, we have to use this one. Perfect. It's perfect, chat. Okay. So we did end up releasing Create Melange app yesterday. I did get that done. So that's done and out of the way, which is nice. Now we have to do this fun bit. Let's see here. Back to neovim plugins, and we want to come over here, pull up this node REPL, and we need to Okay. Just use OS execute and you can do bash. So why did this not match anything? Wait, what? There's no empty string at the beginning. It didn't even output nil. Yeah, okay. I don't... Alright, well... I used to have this down. So let's, what do we have to do here? We need to replicate this in Lua. Convert this to Lua. Now that's beautiful, chat. If you don't like this as a regex format, you're not gonna make it. If you're using regex, you're not gonna make it. The world is built on regex, my friend. I actually do enjoy, like, I enjoy regex in the same way that I enjoy designing normalized databases. Like, something about it, it's just like a puzzle and it scratches my brain the same way. So I generally will, like, I love picking up tickets that deal with regexes and stuff. All right, we can get rid of all this. I think this is our parameter regex then. Or this is our escape regex. So theoretically, we should end up with this from this string when we do this line. We should do it scape. Right. We need to replace it with, where's the replace? Now this. So it's just slash slash. Okay, sure. Let's try that. So this takes a function, and this gets the match, and then we call end, and we'll come in here. Let me make this font bigger. Bump this down, and we say, then keybinds will return slash slash, and then dot match. Is that what they said? Yeah. Live on Twitch. It's so good. Oh, I did the backslashes in the wrong. I did the wrong slashes. Lol. All right, so we need an extra set. All right, that looks good, except it didn't hit the dot. It should produce, however, with this code, it produces the period is not escaped, and it should be. So I'm guessing that is a problem with this bit. So do we just do %dot? Is that gonna fix it? Yep, there it was. Okay. So there's our escape regex. That's probably what it's gonna tell me to do, right? It's just fix. No, mine worked anyways. Okay, so next up, we need to do the parameter regex, which is this guy. Replace. What do we do with the parameter regex? Where does that go? Last, okay. So let's grab this one, and we're gonna say, yo dog, translate this to Lua's, to Lua. So we're saying this is gonna be a local escaped parameter regex equals that, and then Oh my God. That's amazing. That's kind of sick. Big Dwarf Fortress vibes. Oh, dude, I haven't played Dwarf Fortress in so long. I should do that this weekend. I love Dwarf Fortress. So then we want to say we get our escaped bit and we want to do a replace. Right? So we need to write a function. Right? We're going to say function escape regex, and this is going to take a string and god damn it, and we'll do basically this bit here. Right, local, what did I do wrong here? We need an end and that. Can I format? Okay, great. Yeah, the what up, Kenran? How's your stream? Why? What were you working on this morning? Escape that. So that'll do that. Now how do we do this bit? Given this code, blah, 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 how write this, translate this. Written in OCaml with the player code in Lua. That's sick, Kenran. Is that open source? I would love to read that. Oh, gotcha. I'll have to catch a stream. Do you always stream in the mornings or around this time? Because I think I saw you live before I started streaming. I don't ever wanna be. All right, so I'm gonna bump this over here because we're basically using this as our editor. So we're gonna say we have our escape regex, and then we're gonna have another function called local function. What would we even call that? I really wanna be like him. I don't ever wanna be you. I guess we can just call this something like create regex source. And this will take a string. And we'll bump that down. And in here we'll say, yeah, string. And then we say return just like you. Since the anthem, hold your hands up. So we want to then say something like print, not print table, but print, let's grab this. Oh, we have our message. So we're going to say create regex source. Thank you for the follow, one yields. So this should end up creating where this should end up creating this, I believe. Okay, we got a bad argument. Thank you for the subscription, Kenran. I super appreciate that. I'm gonna run and let the dogs out quick. I will be right back in like 2 or 3 minutes. And we're back. All right, let's see. Error in function. Okay. So I'm gonna copy this. Oh, ChatGPT. I guess I don't need to do that. We're just gonna say boom. Oh, I guess we should copy this, right? So let's say we have this, and then produces the following errors. Let's clean that. Stop, clean, run. Boom. What up, Kyle? Oh, damn, I'm out of coffee already. All right, I'll be right back. One more time, chat. This will be quick. Come back. Come on. No? Here, take your puppy then if you're not coming in. Here you go. All right, so the error occurs because the function name escape regex is used both of the variable name for the pattern and a function name. Ah, I see. I don't know, execute. Or maybe we just do run rather than execute. Okay. So we got there, but I would have expected us to end up with, we should be ending up with, Kenran, today we are working on porting, I can set a command, right, with stream elements. I should learn how to do this. We're working on porting Matt Pocock's TS error translator, which is a very popular TS or VS Code extension that creates, that takes really shitty TypeScript errors and makes them more user and human friendly. Why can't I get to my dashboard? What is going on? Am I not logged in? What the hell is this? Does this think I'm in mobile? That's terrible. Chatbot, chat commands. Is there a today? How do I do this? Add, edit, and delete chat commands. How does this work? Command cost, command alias. So do I just do command today foobar? I'm assuming that didn't work. Oh, it's because I didn't turn it on. That might help. What? Everyone see this? Everyone seeing what's happening here? That's so when you click save under the covers, it must be toggling a state because it assumes that Jesus Christ. Okay. All right, so let's try today. And then we'll try one more time. Still nothing. I don't understand how this works. Oh, we have a donate? Check this out. Okay, so what are we missing here with this fracking thing? Now it's disabled again. Now it's on. If I refresh, I want to be able to set it on my own, though, Kyle. So now it says, okay, so that's toggled. So maybe I just had it wrong. This is stupid. This is so stupid. How to use stream elements. If I could type command. Oh, God. Because it literally says add, edit, or delete chat commands. I've had the same issues. All right. Let's see if we can do something here. Can I pull in variables somewhere? Supports variables. All right. Can I set my own variables? No, that's dumb. Yeah, I'm gonna have to spend some command. All right, we'll try that. Command add today foo. Porting Matt Pocox. vscode extension. TypeScript error translator to neovim. I guess we don't need the parentheses. Nice. Okay. Well, thank you for your help there. Who just gave me that advice? Let me scroll up in my comments. Drew. Super appreciate that help because that was confusing as all hell. A shout out to our friend Drew here. All right, yeah. So we want to be ending up in a place where we have this string here, not BRB letting the dogs out though. And right now we are ending up in a place where we're getting this. So let's stop, do that, run. We're not getting an error. Cool. So where's our good friend ChatGPT? This code is producing but it should be producing this guy right here. Yoink. I mean, that shouldn't matter, right? Because it's like it's functionally doing the same thing. I don't think that's right. That looks exactly like what I have. I don't think that's right, ChatGPT. I think you're hallucinating. Where's my format? That still produces I think we're gonna have to use the So I think it's maybe this. We'll take a shot at doing a V2 of this on our own because ChatGPT is dumb. I think this will be percent, and then this will be percent, and then this will be a percent, and this will be a percent. And we'll say this is 2. We'll take that, and we'll put that there, and we'll kill this, stop, done, run. Still wasn't right. So what are we saying here? We're trying to match on let's see if we can just like match on this at all. Okay, so we matched that. That's a good start, right? So now if we do that, that's a good start. And then we can say %d And then that gets a slash slash, and this. Let's go. Nope. All right, we're getting closer. Almost it feels like it should be this, right? But it's not. Does this become a percent that? No. Nope. What are we doing wrong here? This feels like we're so close. Because we start matching, we can match the whole way up until the second slashes. Although that still has a slash there and it shouldn't. Is it that? Haha, check that out, chat. Down with freaking ChatGPT still got it wrong. Get wrecked, ChatGPT. All right, this like Copilot in this is really annoying. Amazing. All right, so that's good. Now let's bring this back over here and let's continue following the code, right? So we need to, once we get that, we create a regex from that. Okay. So I think this is going to be, I think the difference between these two is that we're going to have to switch the plus to a minus for the local. And then I think this one just stays the same in Lua. Because I think really the difference is that this isn't greedy and this is greedy. Translate this to Lua now. Yeah, they're always inherently global. Okay, I can buy that. Back to where we were standing. Oh, okay. We just have a typo. It's fine. See you, Kenran. Thank you again for the stream. Have a great Wednesday. Escape? I'm pretty sure it is. Oh, it's just regex. Okay, sure. Text is not defined, right? That's message. It's literally right there. Oh, right, because we just got to go up and do... Okay, so regex source equals message dot replace escape regex, and that gets this $, and that, and then we say replace, and this gets the escaped parameter regex, and that gets our little friend dot plus, right? Annoying. All right, so we have our regex source, and then we want to say regex local. Yoink that. Throw that in there. Yep. And then we want to get regex global. Yoink that. Throw that in there. That didn't work. Yoink. Paste. Good. And then we want to, do we have our parameter? We do. So now we want to say message.match parameter regex. Okay, so that's where we want to get to. And our parameter regex just matches. Yeah. Okay, so we should be able to do this. So we'll say local parameters equals string dot, I guess, match, gmatch. And we're going to use parameter regex. And then we're going to match on, oh, the first bit's the string. So that'll be message. And then we're going to match on our pattern, which is our parameter regex. And we'll print that. Parameters, dot, parameters. Let's give this the old format. Kill this, stop that. All right, attempt to concatenate local parameters. Okay, sure, we'll just print this then. We got a table. Oh no, it's an iterator. How do we make that print? Do Lua iterators have a length on them? Annoying, but sure. I guess that wouldn't make sense for an iterator to have a length, right? What happens if you call an iterator and it's exhausted? No. Okay. So let's make a little utility function then. And we're going to say iterator to table. Let's write this here. Local iterate. Let's make this full screen. And we'll say iterator to table. And this is going to take a iterator, local function, and we'll say let local table equals that, and then we'll say for okay. We'll say while, oh, that's going to, how did they break out here? Or they just break? Okay, sure. That's fine with me. While true, do end. And then we'll say local match equals, or value equals iterator. And then we'll say, how do you extend a table? I don't even know how to do. Lua push to table. I'm sorry for the flashbang chat. How do I append to a table? Table dot insert, of course. Why wouldn't it be table dot insert? If value does not equal nil, then end, right? Is that how we do this? We say, just say return that. Yeah, okay. We'll say table dot insert table value, otherwise we break, right? So then we should be able to come down here and say print table, iterator to table, and parameters gets passed in. Let's try that. Is not a problem. A nil value. So our parameter regex must just not be matching. Right, that's got to be the issue. So let's say we can test this a little bit more too by coming in here and just saying like local test string is going to be this dot plus that. And we'll just say foo bar, and then we'll do another one. That'll be our test string, and then we can do basically what we're doing down here, right? We'll grab this, and we'll say local test parameter, test params, and this will be test string, throw that in there, parameter regex, throw that in there, and we want to replace it with, I don't know, cat dog. Stars of the rich and famous. So we don't get anything, which is strange, right? What happens if, oh, we're not printing anything. Derp. All right, so we're not matching correctly. So that's good news. So let's step it back and see if we can just match like that, period. Just a single quote. Great, that looks good. And then we want to match that. So that did not match this, so maybe we have to escape it. There we go. Dot plus percent u. And let's clear this, run, cat dog. That's not quite what we wanted. That looks like what we want, right? Do we need to do that? It does the same thing. Okay, so I think this might be the regex, and we're gonna replace it. Well, I guess we can get rid of that now and uncomment this. And let's run this. Frack. Oh, right, because we're already exhausting the iterator, so that's probably the problem. So let's stop, run again. Are we ever printing this? No. So our match isn't working again? Okay, that looks like it matched, right? Am I crazy, chat? That did exactly what we would expect. So maybe gmatch isn't doing what I expect. Escape message sub. Because I should be able to take this line and then come down here and do this, but rather than gsub, we should be able to do gmatch. Returns an iterator function that each time it is called returns the next captures from the pattern. Hi. How's the gym?
Good.
Good? You make me another coffee?
That's why I was just coming to ask if you wanted.
Thanks. Yes. PM walls. This should look familiar. So we can iterate over the iterator, which is good. So we can do that. So let's do that for, what was the syntax again? For match in dude, I love and hate Lua all at the same time. So theoretically here, we should get... I don't think this takes a third argument, does it? Init, no. Get out of here. Okay. So what... Oh, am I mixing up the thing I should be matching on? I think that's what I fucked up, actually. Let's comment these. Let's get rid of those and just run what we got here. So we want to get to here. Right, I was just matching on the wrong freaking string. I'm an idiot. Okay, back to this. We actually need to match on message, not escaped. Message sub. And this is probably going to error. Yeah, because we actually need to match on this. Oh, hell. All right, we're just going to rewrite this. It's going to be that, and then we're going to match on a opening bracket, and then it'll be a percent, a number, right? We're going to match on that, and then we're going to match on a closing brace and that. Let's try this. 1, 2. There it is. Morning, Nightshade. Nightshade, what's your job title? Senior manages business intel. What does that mean? Oh, shit. Oh, damn it, chat. I just got a meeting scheduled in 8 minutes that I have to attend. That I don't want to attend. Oh, that's really annoying. I have like a generic technical certification workshop I have to do for work, which sucks because I'm an engineer and I know what Vercel does. But I have to attend it because every new hire has to attend it. Spread incentives to Thor to spread more freedom and democracy. All right, we'll go right Thor. So theoretically, if we come back, if we try to do this real quick, iterator to table. So we can, how did we get that out of it? It was like for match in iterator do end, and we'll say table dot insert yeah, that goes in here. Let's see how fast I can do this. God, I don't want to take this meeting. This is so stupid. This is match. Say match. Iterated table. We got to return the table. And then let's print table. Iterator to table. Yeah. Did that work? No. Jesus Christ. This Copilot thing they put in is annoying as all hell. And it still got it wrong. Good Lord. There we go.
You want some orange?
What is this? I don't want to eat that. That looks weird.
It's a blood orange.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Weirdo.
Helldivers 2 is great. Yeah, I think I need to try Helldivers. All right, chat. I unfortunately am going to have to take this meeting, I think. Let me just triple check my calendar here.
Do you have a meeting this early?
Yeah.
Ew.
It's a 2-hour meeting?
That sucks.
Oh my Lord.
This isn't for you.
Okay. The thing that's a real bummer is that it's training me on like the technical aspects of Vercel's product, which it's like, well, I understand what that is because I built it. All right, let's get this into our editor and save it. You want to copy up to, well, just grab all of this. And we'll put this in here, Lua, TSR translator. This will go in parser. Yeah, it's fine. I don't care. Throw that in there. Just write it. I don't care. Whip. Push. All right, chat. We'll go raid. I guess you said Thor is streaming. Am I not following Thor? Embarrassing. All right, chat. We'll be back tomorrow morning to continue work on this. And hopefully we can get through this tomorrow. I feel like we got past the hard stuff. So I will catch you then. Thank you all for hanging out. Appreciate all of you.